Hello, do you want fix block plugs not uploading? Okay, okay, the first step, we are going to the your settings, okay, of your phone, of iOS or Android. Okay, we are going to here, okay, and we are going to the apps, okay, here of our applications. Okay, here we are going to the block plugs. Okay, here have the block plus. You click, and here, okay, you activate this option. Okay, the second step, we are going to the App Store or Play Store. Okay, we are going to the search, and you put block blast here. You click, and here, if you have the button of uploading, okay, you upload the block blast, and this it's a fix for the this error. Bye bye.